How to replace a cartridge on a pressure assist toilet. These are the tools you need. No need to buy any fancy tools. 1 needle nose plier. 1 small channel lock pliers. 1 Phillips head screwdriver. 1/4 inch nut driver. Remove toilet tank lid. Loosen this Phillips screw. No need to remove it, just loosen. Remove this piece, put it aside. Remove the screw from the actuator. And unscrew the actuator. Set it aside. Insert your needle nose plier like this in the cartridge. Using your channel lock, unscrew the cartridge. Counterclockwise. And remove it from the black tank. Turn the water valve on to listen to the water running. Insert the new cartridge. Set it in nicely. Insert the needle nose handle in the cartridge. And start turning by hand. A quarter turn at a time. Hesitate every turn. Because you are going to listen until the water stops running. If it gets hard to turn, you may want to use the channel lock. There. I heard the water stop. Listen closely for a little while. If you no longer hear the water running, you're good. Now test it. Looks good. Now put the actuator back on. Do this gradually. And put the screw back on. Put the silver crossbar back on. From the silver bar to the actuator must be a 1/4 gap in between. The bar cannot rest on top of the actuator. Put the clip that holds the crossbar back on and don't make it too tight. Notice how the mechanism works. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.